Hi everyone, I'm Rafi. I'm going to show you the features of Shop2shop latest device P2. This device model is P2. Okay, let's come to the point. What you can do with this machine or this device? You can swipe, you can tap, you can insert the card, you can sell airtime, you can sell data, voucher, electricity, whatever you need. Okay, so let's jump on it. If I want to swipe for 10 rand, just go to tap to pay. Oh, sorry. Okay, if you click on tap to pay, then you will see this interface. Then what you need to do, click on card pay, then run. Okay, I can insert the card, I can swipe, I can tap it. By the way, just let me tap. Oh, okay. You see how fast it's working. It's approved. And this money, the same time, it comes to my account. Just check here. How much is swiped? And here's the time. How much is swiped? 10 rand. How much they charge? 2.5% per transaction. So how much is the outstanding balance? The receivable balance is 975 cents. They already added to my account. And this money I can transfer to my bank account. Okay. Now just come to second option. You see this mobile application, I can manage it from my phone. I can manage it from this machine. All right. So I can do the same things from here, from the machine. Okay. Now come to the banding point. The banding point, our shop-to-shop banding system name is Profit Plus, where you can get much more profit. Okay. This is Profit Plus interface. From here, I can sell airtime, easy airtime, easy load airtime, straight airtime, electricity, DSTV, easy load voucher, OTT voucher, one voucher, blue voucher. Here is the most interesting things. I can sell WhatsApp and social bundles from here, and the straight bundles are separate. Okay, now here's the gaming. Betway, Hollywood, EasyBet, Lotto Star, and all this. Okay, let's come to the second point. Here is one for you voucher, Hollywood voucher, Easy Pay, Betway, Yes Play, and the cross-border service are also here. Mukuru, Money, Eco Cash. Okay, just let me introduce you guys with Easy Airtime. For example, I want to sell 10 on airtime. I told you, if you sell 10 airtime, you will get 6% commission out of 10 rand. Okay, just have a look here. 10 airtime. How much I get? 6 rand. 6% commission. I had 20 rand. Now I have 10 rand 60 cent, and the 10 rand voucher cost they charge me 9 rand 40 cent. Okay, just let me print it. By the way, this is okay. This is the airtime, easy airtime. Now let's come to easy load voucher. This voucher is like one for you voucher. You can load it to everywhere, wherever you want to. Okay, now let me sell 10 rand from here. Confirm bet. How much they charge me? 9 rand 60 cent. It means I get 4% commission from this voucher.